Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 5 and click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometry, and the lessons we're going to cover today are find the unknown angle in triangles and quadrilaterals, area of compound figures, radius, diameter, circumference, and area of a circle, parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter is lesson that is find the area unknown angles in triangle and quadrilateral. Let's just start with the angle. Okay, what is the measure of the missing triangle? So you are given a triangle, two of the angles you are given, you need to find a third one. So you keep this very important point in your mind. The sum of angle triangle must be 180 degrees. Got it? So you can just write down the sum of all the angles equal 180. So you can see the angles are 28 degree and 126. Got it? So these plus 120 degree and plus the missing angle, we know that the sum of all three angles must equal 180. Got it? That is 126. Okay, just now just add these two angles. 8 plus 6 is 14, 2 to 4 and 1 5, 154 plus x equals 180. Move 154 other side, so it would be 180 minus 154. So it would be 4, 224 it is. That means the missing angle equals 24 degrees. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the measure of the missing angle? So you need to find the missing angle. You are given three of the angles. So whenever you have a four-sided shape quadrilateral, that means the sum of all four angles must be 360 degrees. Keep these very important point in your mind. The sum of all the angles that are, sum of all the shapes that are in the chapter geometry. The sum of the shapes, the four-sided shape, the sum of all angles must be 360. So let's just say 57, 65, 141. 57, 65, 141, and the missing angle and the sum of all the angles is 360. Got it? Let me just add them. 51, 141 plus 65 plus 57. That is 263. Sum of these three angles is 263, and when you move x to the other side you will get the value of the x, so it will be 360 minus 230, 263. Got it? That is 97. That means the sum of the missing angle is 97 degrees. Got it? The correct option is 90 degrees, 97 degrees. Sorry. Okay, what is the measure of the missing angle? Yes, that's the one we did on the tutorial. So the angle is 26 degrees. Got it? Okay, what is the measure of the missing angle? Again, you are given the triangle, you have to find the missing angle. So we know that the sum of all three angles must be 180. Got it? So it would be 90 plus 46 plus x equal 140. Got it? So 46 plus 96 is 136. Move 136 other side, so you have to subtract. So it would be 180 minus 136. Got it? So it would be 44 degrees. That means the missing angle is 44 degrees. Got it? Okay, that is 44 degrees. Okay, what is the measure of the missing angle? Again, that is a four-sided shape. So whenever you have four sides, the sum of angles must be 360 degrees. Got it? So let's just add them: 38, 97, 117. Okay, 38, 97, 117, the missing side angle, and 360 degrees. Got it? Okay, just add the given numbers and move them to the other side. So they are 38, 38, 97, and 117 equals 52. So move to 52 other side to the x equals 360 minus 252. Got it? So it would be 108. Yes, that would be 108. That means the missing angle equals 108. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the measure of the missing angle again? That is a four-sided shape. So sum of the, so sum of the angles of four-sided shape must be 360. So just add the given angles and subtract them from 360. Okay, so it is 99 plus 92 plus 41. The sum is 232, and 360 minus 233 equals 128 degrees. That means the missing angle is 128 degrees. Okay, again the next one is, what is the measure of the missing angle? So just add them and subtract 3 out of 360. Okay, so it is 104 plus 129 plus 33, and subtract it from 360. So it would be 94 degrees. That means the correct option is 94 degrees. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is area of compound figures. Okay, so whenever you have to find the area of compound figure, first we divide the figure into, we need to divide the figure into small figures and then we can find the area of the given shape. Got it? So we can divide this into two triangles. Got it? Like this. Okay, you can divide this shape into two rectangles and then you can solve them. A and B. Got it? You can calculate the area of both the rectangles and then you have to add them. Got it? The area of rectangle A is length time width, that is 22 5 times 14. Area of B is, so 25 times 14 is 350 and that would be 330. So the area of the whole shape is, you just have to add area of A and area of B. Got it? So it will be 350 plus 33. So that equals 383. Got it? That means the area of shape is 383 inches square. Square inches. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Okay, what is the area of the figure? So we have to divide it into two parts and then we have to solve them. You can divide it like this. You have now this one is shape A and this one is shape B. Got it? You just have to solve this. Okay, this one is 40 and this one is 18 for this one. For the rectangle A, you can see this one is 15 and this one is 18. Let's just calculate the area of A. It would be 15 times 18. Got it? The same thing you have to do for B. Area of B is, that would be 25 and 8. It would be 25 times 8. Got it? So just multiply them and add them. 15 times 18 is 270 and then 25 times 8 is 200. 825 times 8 is 200. Got it? So the area of the shape is, you have to add the area of shape A and area of shape B. Got it? So it would be 470. The correct option is 470. Got it? It would be 470. Okay, what is the area of the shape? So you have to do the same thing, just divide the shape into two portions and then you have to calculate the area of both the shapes. Got it? You can do like this or either you can divide them like this. Got it? Any way you can solve. Or using both options, answers are exactly same. Got it? Let's just calculate the area of A. It would be 11 times 19. Then you have to calculate area of B. That would be 12 times 10 times 12. So that would be 120 and 11 times 19 is, let me just, 11 times 18 is 198. Got it? So for the area of the complete, you just have to add both the areas. Got it? So when you add them, they make 318. So that means the area of the shape is 318. Got it? Hmm? That would be 329. Okay, what is the area of the figure? So you have to divide the figure into two portions and then you have to solve. You can divide like this. Got it? This one is A and this one is B. Let's just calculate the area of A. 22 times 22 it is. Then area of B, that would be 13 times 18. Got it? So let me just 22 times 22 is 484 and 18 times 13 is 234. So just add them. Got it? 718. That means the area of the shape is 718. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next one. Okay, what is the area of the shape? You have to divide the shape figure into two rectangles. It would be this one, A and B, and just solve for both the rectangles. Got it? For this one, it is area in times 21, and this one is 10 times 8. That equals 80, and 19 times 21 is 399. Got it? Just add both the areas. So 399 plus 80 is 479. That means the area of the shape is 479. Got it? So the correct option is 479. Okay, what is the area of the figure? So just divide the figure into two parts and then you have to solve. Got it? Okay, it would be like this. Just calculate for the bigger one, it would be 12 times 15. For the smaller one, it would be 4 times 4. Got it? Be 354 times 4 is 16. When you add, it would be 300 plus 16 equals 316. Got it? So the correct option is 316. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, and the next lesson is radius, diameter, circumference, and area of a circle. Okay, so you are given with the area, you are given the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 3 inches. Okay, you are given the radius of a circle that is 3 inches. You have to calculate the circumference. So how do we calculate the circumference of the circle? You have to keep this very important formula in your mind. That would be circumference C equals 2 pi r. Got it? Pi has a fixed value that is 3.14. R is 3. Just multiply and okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the diameter of the circle is 4 meters. What is the circle area? You have to calculate the area of the circle, you are given the diameter. Got it? When we know that the area of the circle is A equals pi r square. Got it? But you don't have the value of r. You can see the radius is from this point to this point, but the radius would be from the center to any point on the circle. So you have to divide diameter by 2 to get the radius equals diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So for this one, the radius of the circle is 2. Now you can just put the values in the formula. Pi is 3.14, r is 2, it would be 2 square. Got it? So when you do 4 times 3.14, that would be 12.56. So the correct option is 12.56. So the correct option is 12.56. So if you are given with a diameter, you can divide the diameter by 2. Got it? To get the radius. So the correct option is 12.56. Okay, the next one is the diameter of the circle is 6. What is the circle's radius? So how do you find the radius of the circle? I just explained. You are given the diameter is 6 and radius is half of the diameter. You have to do divide diameter by 2. So it would be 3 miles. Got it? You can write this down on your notebook. Radius is half of the diameter. You can say radius equals diameter divided by 2. Got it? It would be 6 over 2. That equals 3. So the radius would be 3 miles. Got it? Okay, what the diameter of the circle is 2 millimeters. What is the circle's circumference? So we have to calculate the circumference. We know that the circumference, the formula for the circumference is C equals 2 pi r. Diameter you are given 2, radius equals 2 over 2, that would be 1. So it would be 2 times 3.14 times 1, so it would be 6.28. Got it? The correct option is 6.28. Got it? Okay, the radius of the circle is 3 inches. What is the circle's circumference? You are given the radius is 3. You have to calculate the circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. Just put up the values. 2 times 3.14 times 3. Got it? Just multiply them and it would be 18.84. The correct option is 18.84. Got it? Okay, the next one is the circumference of the circle is 1 yard. What is the area? The area of the circle is pi r square. Got it? Pi is 3.14, r is 1, and 1 square is 1. So it would be 3.14 times 1. That means the area of the circle equals 3.14 square yards. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is parallel perpendicular intersecting. Okay, are these lines intersecting? Yes, if the two lines meet one point, that means they are intersecting. Got it? The next one is, are these lines parallel? Yes, parallel lines never intersect each other. Got it? These are the parallel lines. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, the lines are meet. They meet at one point, so thus they are intersecting. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, are these lines parallel? Which is the correct option? No, they are intersecting. Got it? Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are intersecting. Are these lines intersecting? No, and never they are parallel. Parallel lines never intersect each other. Got it? Are these lines perpendicular? Perpendicular means when the lines make the angle 90 degree, that means they are the perpendicular. So yes, they makes 90-degree angle, they are perpendicular. Okay, are these lines parallel? Yes, they are parallel. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are intersecting. They intersect each other at a point. So yes, they are intersecting. Are these lines parallel? No, they are intersecting. They are not parallel. So the correct option is no. Are these lines perpendicular? No, regular lines makes the angle that equals 90 degrees, so they are not perpendicular. Are these lines perpendicular? No, they are parallel. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are intersecting. They meet at a point, so they are intersecting. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are intersecting. Got it? They meet at a point, so they are intersecting. Are these lines parallel? No, they are the intersecting lines, not parallel. Are these lines perpendicular? Yes, they are perpendicular. They makes the angle 90 degree. They are perpendicular. Are these lines intersecting? No, they are parallel. Are these lines parallel? Yes, they are parallel. Got it. We are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 6 maths. The lesson we're working on is geometry. And the lessons we've covered are find the unknown angle in triangles and quadrilaterals, area of compound figures, radius, diameter, circumference and area of a circle, and parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact Any tutor on the Skype, they are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.